Okay, Mom.
Meet the xTool M1 Ultra, your go-to DIY bestie. A world-first multifunctional craft machine that opens up endless creativity. Want to infuse your cup with your personal touch? Choose your pattern and click the process button. With the gentle hum of the blade, it makes your creative ideas happen. With each touch of the laser beam, you breathe life into your everyday items, reflecting captivating light. Let's draw, adding a touch of magic. Print and laser cut it at once, completing your multitasks in one go. Click, stick. With a snap of your fingers, adding a touch of joy in an instant. It's capable of everything. Infusing your everyday items with your unique characteristics, even more. From acrylic and paper to vinyl, felt, even leather, fabric, wood, and metal, every material joins the vibrant creative show. The diverse palette unexpectedly brightens your life. Need some pattern ideas? Let AI work for you. Explore your curiosity and pop. We dive into the realm your heart desires. Shaping a cute and practical idea into reality. Bring some differences to familiar processes. Snap, preview, and precisely adjust the app. Engraving enthusiasm into an ordinary day. Here are over 5,000 ready-to-go projects. Just pick the one for you and click. A small gift can make each day special and memorable. Creating one-of-a-kind pieces, weaving tales of joy, dreams, and achievability with each intricate design, and sculpting a future filled with possibilities. Being a creator, sharing joy, and embracing love. You hold the power to heal yourself, to express love, and explore life. xTool M1 Ultra. Create the world you dream, live the life you desire.
Especially because of this really cool orange lid. It is a safety feature so that you can actually look into the machine while it's working, but it also looks really cool.
I love this M1 Ultra for its simplicity, versatility, and then all-in-one features.
My absolute favorite module that still blows my mind is there was a function called print and cut where you would print stickers to your printer, put it in the machine, and it would cut it out for you.
These are inlay earrings. It was basically a print on there with wood inlay for these.
The ink cartridge that comes with it allows me to print things such as these. This is on heavy stock, and this particular piece is just on a piece of box base wood.
My favorite part is the smart controller right here. You can get a precise temperature and you can time it, and it just makes the precision so much better because you know exactly what temperature you're pressing at, whether you're using that mini or the bigger press.
Ein weiteres Projekt ist hier diese Tasche. Die habe ich gemacht mit Blockfolie. Auch das hat super geklappt. Ja, und ich bin total begeistert von dieser Presse.
I've also done some DTF transfers onto acrylic and wood for this little tie tack. They turned out so well that I've sold out of them, so I don't have any to show you, but they're great.
I can literally use this for all of my crafting. I can switch the modules, multitask between different kinds of functions, all in one machine. This thing is a lifesaver, and it saved me so much time, so much headache and stress to just do everything in one machine. And I think you're really gonna like it.
If you're on the fence or you're brand new to the world of crafting, lasers, whatever it may be, the M1 Ultra is a great first stop for you because it's an all-in-one setup. XCS works perfectly with this. There's so many great capabilities for it.
This machine right here is the beginning crafter's dream machine.
If I can figure it out, anybody can figure it out.
Hi guys, welcome
Hi.
to xTool YouTube Live. This is Twiggy.
This is Jason.
So today is another exciting launch of our xTool M1 Ultra and
Yes.
our xTool heat press.
Yes.
So today we talk about our xTool M1 Ultra. It's the world's first 4-in-1 multifunctional craft machine, right? So we're not talking about only 4 different functions. We're also talking about 8 different modes that you can use with it. So
Yeah.
the first one is we have our laser right?
head, yeah.
Laser module. And the second is we have the blade module. And the third is we have the inkjet printer module. And third is we have the drawing modules, okay? So Jason, how do you feel about like having so many functions fit into one machine?
I think this is kind of a dream machine for some craft lovers.
Yeah, exactly. And now talking about, we already have so many functions fit into one machine. Now later we're going to talk them one by one. But first, let me surprise you with the actual surprising price of our xTool M1 Ultra. So the first one, you can get the basic xTool M1 Ultra for only starting at $1,299 for all 4 different modes into one machine and 8 different functions into one machine for only starting at $1,299. And for those people who already paid the deposit on our website, you can get $300 off, which means you can get the basic kit of our xTool M1 Ultra for only $999. Okay, so that is the amazing price of our xTool M1 Ultra. And also thanks to all those people who are staying up to watch our live, because we see a lot of our European audience like sitting up alarm,
thank you very much.
like watching our live stream at like 2 a.m. or like 3 a.m. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
So let me go through all those prices with you so you can know exactly what you can get from us. Okay, so first is our xTool M1 Ultra 10 watts basic. If you have paid the deposit, you can get this M1 Ultra at $999. For those people who haven't paid the deposit, don't worry, we also got you covered because our live stream price is also the best price ever. So it's $1,299, which includes the M1 Ultra, right? The 10 watts, the 10 watts laser head, the 2 blade heads, and we have drawing pens, and we also have some material package for you. Okay, and another amazing benefits from our live stream is that for our Canada and US audience, you can get xTool Care for free if you buy this in our live stream. But for our European audience, you can get the equal values of free material pack sent it to you if you order in our live stream room. So make sure you go ahead and do that right now. And we also have our xTool M1 Ultra 10 watts advanced bundle, and you can get that for only at $1,399. And for those people who have paid the deposit, you can get at $1,099, and which include the inkjet printer, 4 different type of blade head, and we have the drawing pen. We also have the material kit as well, right? And then we also have, if you want something have like a much more power, we also have the xTool M1 Ultra 20 watts advanced bundle, and you can get the live stream price at $1,799. And if you pay the deposit, you can get $300 off on that, which is $1,499, which also include, we also give you a fire safety set together with that, and the inkjet printer, 4 different type of blade head, and we have the drawing pen and also material pack. And right, so as I talked about, for our US audience, you can also get our xTool Care for free. And for our European audience, you can get equal value of our material. And we also have many more accessory. Accessory comes with our bundle, right? Because a lot of people, when it comes to create, you want to include a lot of accessory. For example, we have our R82 Pro, we have the riser base, right? So you can also enjoy our xTool M1 Ultra 10 watts deluxe bundle at the live stream price at $1,949, all under $2,000, okay? And if you pay the deposit before, you can get $300 off. And that includes 4 different type of blade head, the drawing pen, and also material pack, the Smart Air Assist, the inkjet printer, the riser base, and the R82 Pro, which just means like it's all in one bundle for only $1,949.
Okay.
And we have one more. We have xTool M1 Ultra 20 watts deluxe bundle, and for the live stream price, you can get a $2,399, and for the deposit price, you can get at only $2,099. Okay, and that includes everything I have talked about, except that we have changed the laser head to a 20 watts. So yeah, that is everything. Oh, we also have one more all-in-one bundle. Our M1 X2 20 watts all-in-one bundle, which has live stream price at $2,699. Okay, which will also give you everything included, and you can enjoy the deposit price at $300 off, which is $2,399. All right.
Okay.
That's everything we got.
That's
okay.
all the information, all the sales information.
Yeah.
The trick is very good at this.
Okay, all right. You guys got all the price, and now let's dive into how does it look. Okay, and let's
can't wait. Let's make the machine work.
Yeah. Okay. Now let's go ahead and check out the function on here. Okay. So first, let's talk about the appearance.
Yeah. So we got Red Dot Award for this design.
Yes.
It's a very beautiful design. I
Definitely.
like it very much. And there's some details like on the back. For example, here you can see the exhaust fan. You can easily get it out to this way.
Yes.
And you can easily change the filter. And mostly you will put the machine beside the window. Maybe your window is on the left or on the right, and you can change the direction. You can change the direction on the left side or on the right side.
Yes.
It all works. Yeah. So
that is about exhausting fan. You can change the direction. As you can see, we also have some accessories.
It's very easy to attach.
Yeah, accessory hose on here. We can attach with the smart fire safety set, and also we have the air assist.
Yeah.
Now let's go to the front, and then let's talk about the appearance from the front, and we're going to talk about the major difference in our laser head right here.
Yeah. Okay. So you can see how we can switch the head. It's very easy. So this is a laser head, and this is a tube for connector for the air assist. All these connectors, you don't need to connect any wires.
Yes.
Or tubes. It's just.
And that is the multifunctional carriage. So we have two carriage on our.
And this way works. So it only takes about 3 seconds. You switch the head, and here is the blade tool.
Yeah, so let me show you. So as I talked about right here, we have two different carriage, right? This is the multifunctional carriage, and this is the basic carriage. All right, when you have the basic carriage right here, we're going to talk about the blade mode, right? The blade mode, we have four different type of blade. Okay, so first we have the fine cut blade, right? The fine point blade. And this is a regular cutting blade. And this is a foil transfer tip. And this is a rotary blade. So we have 4 different type of blades for you to choose right here, depending on what kind of needs that you want, right? And this will actually support, our machine will actually support to up to over 1,000 materials.
Okay. So let's start prepare for our first project. So first project, we will use, a foil transfer.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's a foil transfer. So we will use, these tips. So you can see how we mount the blade. It's very easy. Okay, finish. This way, and okay, so that's it. And we need a 5-point blade to mount it here.
Okay, now let's put it back. Now we have 2 carriages ready. Now we're going to prepare the material.
Foil transfer. So
first
this is the first project.
Yeah, first we're going to show you how to do the foil transfer.
Yeah.
So you want to make sure that you tape this to the edges. Make sure the foil is very, very flat.
Yeah. Let's make it quick.
You can see there's a butterfly right here.
Yeah, we have 2 butterflies.
Yeah, made with our xTool. So we combine the woodwork together with the paper art using our xTool M1 Ultra.
Yes, and you can find, if you want to do this project, you can find the files on our website. It's called designfind.com.
Yes.
find the design fine. Okay.
Now let's put the material into our machines right here. I hope you put it flat. I feel like it's a little bit
Yeah, I think it's okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So we will use our phone to positioning.
Take a picture. Yes.
So a lot of customers may curious about why we don't have cameras. I will explain later, and you will see how we do this with your phone, with your app.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So you can go ahead and then take a picture of the surface.
Yes.
Of the working area.
You just need to take a picture.
Make sure that include 4 different points.
Yeah. And send it to the computer.
Okay, now let's switch back to
switch
our
to the software.
Software?
Yeah, you can switch to the software.
Okay,
you will see the background
it's
here.
Sending.
Yeah, it's about to take about 5 seconds.
Yeah, 5 seconds.
5
yes,
seconds.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I'm a little bit worried about your surface. It's a little bit uneven. Let's see if it works.
I think it works.
Okay.
Okay, so you can see. So this is a way of a camera preview. And so we will use toolhead. It's a multitask process. So we just need to, all the settings is okay. And we start.
And right now we're already using the mix function, right? The multitasking.
And
wait. Does it already check the Okay, it's ready. So go ahead and click start on our M1 machine. It will start to work.
Yeah. So this project we use our foil transfer blade.
Yes.
To fill. It's not only draw
we're gonna talk
the line, but it's a fill graphic.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. So because if you see on other craft machine, they can also do foil transfer, but for that they can only do the lines, right? The sketch of the graphic, but they can't really fill. As you can see, the pictures that we have right here is actually filling all those blank into. But later we can show you the examples. But right
so
now,
this is another example. You can use the foil transfer to fill to make a thick characters.
Yes, exactly. As you can see, we're filling in the blanks. It's not only about the lines, right? So with our foil transfer function, you can not only do sketch, but you can also do graphic or sketch together with graphic and some words as well, right?
Yeah.
And so maybe Jason, you can
take
also
about 2 or 3 minutes.
2 or 3 minutes, because people are wondering, so why do we not have a camera? You want to explain this a little bit in detail?
Okay, so if you have a camera, it's a little convenience, but for the camera in the machine, there's a lot of limitation. The first is the size,
right?
And another is the precision. You have the best camera in your phone.
Yes.
Yeah. But we want to make a machine that is very compact size, and in the same time we want to put affordable price for our customers. To combine a lot of these functions in one machine, the hardware is very expensive.
Yes.
Yeah, but we want to make it affordable. So we try to save some cost. So you can see the process. Then when we use a camera, we use our phone camera. We can put our camera a little higher.
Yeah.
So this will make the precision, make the positioning precision better than the camera in the machine.
Exactly.
Yeah. And your camera, your phone camera, is always better than the
material.
Yeah. Than the camera that we put in the machine. So that's the way that we make it more. It's very convenient, right? And in the same time affordable.
Yes, exactly. So we do see other brands that has a camera in it, right? This kind of a craft machine that has a camera in it, but we can minimize the deviation of our of the image itself to 0.2 millimeters. Okay, and we have compared the other machine that with camera, actually we can do better than them.
Yeah. So 0.2. So with the phone camera, we can make it 0.2 millimeter. But with a normal camera inside the machine, the
deviation
precision
would actually
will be
be
about
larger.
1 millimeter.
Yes.
Yeah.
And especially if you're doing something, for example, in circles, right? You have to make sure it's in the same circle. So the deviation really matters. So that's why we want to save your money, right? While also keep this machine at a compact size, right? So that's why we don't have a camera, but we can use the phone camera. And also we have, advanced our algorithm to help you better this whole positioning thing.
And we provide another way to position it. It's the same way like S1 is a pinpoint positioning, and our customer like it very much.
Yeah,
it's
later we're going to show you
yeah.
how you can do that on the circle because you use the pinpoint positioning,
yeah,
right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so we finished our first project. Let's see it.
It's so. I think you didn't put the.
Okay, so I put
I'm not sure.
Too much force. Okay. So we see. I think I didn't set the right parameters because I think the force is too much, and
you destroy the whole thing.
Yeah, destroyed the whole paper.
Okay. Let's do it again.
We don't have time, but we have some. We done it last time before. It's like this one.
But you have this one. Wait, what kind of parameter did you set it around though?
I think it's I can't remember, but so this is the effect. This is, remember, you don't put too much force for the blade.
What's going on here?
Okay.
The parameters you set.
Let's go through to another project. I will find it later.
Then maybe we can. Oh, yeah, actually it cuts through, but I think you put too much force on the foil transfer, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you damage always you can't damage the foil.
Okay.
The damage the foil is too much and it's damaged, so it cannot work. Okay, so that's the first project, but it's a very easy project. You always.
But we do need a riser base to do that. So we're gonna have some people bringing our the riser base.
That's the second project.
Yes.
Yeah, we second project we do.
We do this we do the inkjet printing on this wood box. So
yeah.
We need a riser base for this.
Yeah. So if we print on the wood. Okay, so we take the riser base.
Guys, don't worry. Later, if we have time, we're gonna show you the foil transfer one more time. No, it's okay. As you can see,
I think it's okay.
The lamp has a some because
this is the most easy project.
Yeah, you have tilted the machine. Well, that's the safety alarm has a sound because you have tilted the machine.
Thank you.
Right now, it's okay. Now you can hit OK. Okay.
So here you can see we can see the machine details. In order to use the razor base, you need to take the base plate out.
Yes.
So there's 2 screws here. You just
unscrew it and then take the base plate out.
Then put it here.
Yeah. So a lot of people are saying it's a very easy install because when we have send you M1 home, you can have the M1 ready to use.
And where is the wood? Tricky, where is the wood? The blank wood.
The blank wood. Give me 1 sec.
Okay, so we use this one, the kind of magnetic pin, to make the wood box keep the position. Okay. Okay. So, and we change the head here.
Yeah.
We use the ink printer head.
Yeah, so for the printing function, we can explore a lot of materials, all right? So it's not only on papers, we can explore a lot of materials.
Yeah, in order to use the ink printer, you need to make another connector here.
The cable right here?
Yeah, the cable. Okay, that's finished. And okay. And for this project,
we will use our AI function.
Yeah, AI function. You know, XCS, our software iterate very quickly, and our AI functions have a lot. Recently, have a very good update, very exciting update here.
Okay.
So you can see, so that's it. So in the AI function, you can see the text art. So we will use AI to design. I will delete this. So this is the design before. Enter some words. So that's it. Make Jason's jewelry. Tricky, I need your help.
Yeah.
Jewelry. How to spell it?
J-E-W-E-L-L-Y. Yes.
Yeah, this way.
Have this right here.
Okay.
Jewelry.
Okay.
Spell it right.
Choose a mode. You have different mode to choose, and for different like a black, like some is for laser engraving, some is for printing, and even for screen printing. That's generate.
Yes, and
so it will take about 1 minute. It's
and for our
we need some time to wait.
Yes.
The AI is always not that fast.
Okay, and I do have to want to talk about this AI function because this is another thing that we have this innovation on our software is because when you use some other AI to generate like text or like graphic, sometimes when you put, for example, I want to put happy birthday in it, and I want to have the AI to generate some picture or generate some words for me. Sometimes they will put the letters in wrong order, right?
Yes,
but with our xTool credit space software, our AI function has over 90% of chance of successing putting the words in the right order, in the right logic, right? And not only we can do the AI generate function with our calligraphy, but we can also do that with the graphic, and then we also can combine the calligraphy together with the graphic.
Yeah.
So that is this is something that you have never seen.
So it's
on
hard.
Other software.
Actually, it's hard for AI to spell the words right.
Yes, because you have to understand the logic.
Yeah, it seems it's like very easy for human, but for AI, for a lot of AI models, it's not easy to make it correct.
Yes,
but
exactly.
in our model, we are trying a lot and make it 90% of chance. Yeah, but we only can keep it 90%. Sometimes it will make some mistake.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you can also change.
We choose
and now
one.
Let's go back to our software, please.
Yeah, go to software. Now we have the graphics here. We choose one. We choose. Take it. Which one? Maybe this one.
I think maybe. Which one? Okay, you already chose it.
Okay. Okay. And I need a very simple edit. So
yes, on the image, yes.
Just take out the
background.
The white background. Now it's very it's transparent.
And maybe we can set the image like actually the contrast a little bit higher.
Okay. So we will use another way to position it.
Yes.
Yeah. So we.
You want to go ahead and choose the.
Okay.
Marking. Yes.
Yeah, marking.
Okay, now let's go to our machines right here. Now let's go ahead and start marking.
Yeah, we use a circle marking.
Make sure that you very precisely select the edges, okay?
Yeah.
Otherwise, it will make the circles uneven, or like it will make an irregular circle.
Yeah, here's the way you use the circle. You move the head, you see the red line, and you put the center of the red line on the edge of the circle. So this is the first point. This we have a special button for
specifically for positioning.
Yeah, for positioning, and you choose another point.
We need a 3-point. Okay, make sure you do it very precisely. So that's why you can get a very precise circles of the place that you're gonna engrave. Yeah.
Okay. So we finish.
The head is both okay, right? We have the Inkjet.
So let's go to the software. Now you have a circle on the software. This is the circle that is you put the object. Okay, finish. We
select the whole things.
Yeah.
Do not make it too.
Okay, I made it bigger.
Yeah. At least you have to. As you can see a focal point, right? You can see this actually is center because when you're moving the image around, as you can see, it will have the
yeah, that's the basic
circle.
function, very basic function.
But we didn't have that before, right? Before I've been asking for, because it was
so you asked for it?
No. Our user has been asked for it, and we have updated, and they were like very concerned about this.
Okay, so we set the parameter. We choose inkjet printing, and we use 70 here and print one time. Hope it works.
Did you make some mistakes this time?
No, we don't need to save. Everything's ready? Okay, so let's go to the process.
Hope it works. Finger crossed it works.
There was a lot of time before, but okay. So I need to make
adjust it.
A very small adjustment.
Okay. Now let's go back to this one more time because he does have to base plate. Yeah?
Yeah, it works.
Okay.
Okay, let's start.
Okay.
Okay, push the
great. So right now our inkjet printer will automatically, measure the distance between the head and the surface.
Okay, it's ready. We push the button. Oh.
Don't push the wrong button. Yeah, it starts. Okay, I hope it works. Did you make mistakes?
Don't be nervous.
No, like I'm sure we're gonna do that void transfer in the very end. Again. Because I really want to show it actually works, but I just don't know what kind of parameter you set to the
sorry,
to the machine.
My mistake.
It's okay, no worries. Okay, right now we're gonna talk about because like a lot of people has been asking for our M1 Ultra. So why do we want to design our M1 Ultra?
Yeah.
Why do we want to design?
You know, we have very strong machines for in laser area. We continue to develop very powerful laser machines and make the laser power strong and strong.
Yeah.
And so for these laser users, they are mainly small business, and so they need a very powerful machine.
Right.
But we know there are a lot of other customers. They are craft lovers or they are DIY lovers.
Yes.
They need a machine that can combine a lot of functions.
Right.
They need a versatile machine. Yeah. So that's why we developed this one. It's a 4-in-1 function machine, and with different head, with different pen, you have a lot of possibility to create things, a lot of things.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's actually, it's an engineering challenge to put a lot of functions in one machine.
Yeah, you definitely
and to make it a complex size.
Right.
And in the same time, to make the process, the user experience process, very easy to use. So that's what we are always our philosophy, to make creation process very easy for our customers.
Yeah.
So you can see in the software, we do a lot of things to manage the multi-task processing. Yeah, so that's a lot of work on hardware and software to make it to make all these functions work, and to combine a lot of process together, and to make the user experience very smooth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So our project has finished, but I'm just gonna quickly
See?
talk. So yeah, quickly talk
Do you know
about
it's
one thing.
successful or not?
It looks like it. Okay,
Okay.
but just one more thing I want to talk about, because we have heard some our users' voices, right? We're always listening to our users' concerns. So
yeah.
Because when they really love like DIY or crafting, they will have a lot of machines. But when they do switch from machine to machine, they have to learn
one software to another software.
There's like too much software. Like each company has their own software, but we want to combine multifunctional in one software, in one kind of machine, right? So you only have to learn xTool Creative Space software, right? Which is the strongest, yes, the easiest, laser software out there. And a lot of people have say there's too much space. They don't have much space for different type of machines. So that's why we put this in one compact size. So for you to fit in your DIY space. Now let's go ahead and check the results.
Okay, check the results. Tricky, you go.
Okay. Okay, if it doesn't work, you're gonna give away something, eh? Okay, looks pretty good. As you can see, the color. I mean, I think it would be even better if you have adjust the contrast of the color.
Yeah.
If you want to make the contrast like even better, right?
Yes.
So I think that is one thing that you can even make the version even better, right? So the version is successful.
Yeah, that's the we can show a lot of other printing projects that we do, like
this is, so we can explore a lot of material, right? So this is on wood, right? And we also have, as you can see here, on this kind of like rough paper right here. And we also have the canvas. We also have another wood right here. A lot of things. Let me just give me 1 second. I have more to show you, right? So there's different type of material. So if you're talking about the inkjet function, we can explore on so many materials. So first, as you can see, this is acrylic, right? You can print on acrylic too, right? Yeah, if the color will be more vibrant if you boost the contrast.
But you need to put some kind of foil.
Like I think it's a paint, right?
Yeah,
it's a clear paint on it. Clear paint on it.
Yeah.
So for it to work, right? We also have the this is
you can
fabric.
You can see the contrast comparison between different materials.
Yeah, as we talked about.
The printing effect actually depends on the materials you are using, depends on the background color of the materials.
Yeah, because the material actually, as you can see, this is fabric, right? It will actually absorb the color, right? So the vibrance of the different material will affect differently.
Yeah.
So this is one thing. And we also have this like tracing paper. We also have this cardboard, and this is pep rough. I think this one I searched online, and it's kind of like a very traditional like paper. It's a rough paper right here, right? So with our
white paper is like this.
Yes, white paper is like this, right?
Yeah. So, but we need to make it clear that on our printer, it's the color is CMY.
Yeah, okay.
It's not like the RGB color you see on the screen. So it's not that colorful than on the screen. And on the other side, so this printer is the effect cannot be as good as your home use photo printer. Yeah, we can't do that. So this printer have only 3 colors, but other very good photo printer, they have 4 colors or maybe. Yeah.
Okay.
And
if we do want to put the CMYK on our machine, there will be a lot of limitation on the space as well. So that's why we make the CMY. But the CMY can help you to explore so many material, right? So compared to your home printers.
You can print on a lot of objects, not only paper. So
and also like as we have shown you, like the object with a little bit higher, right? With a little bit height, and on different material, also show you on different canvas. So this is what you can do with our inkjet printer function. As Jason has talked about, it's not exactly what you see on the screen because they use a different color system.
The inkjet printing effect, the color is not perfect, and but it's the best solution that we can find, that we can put it. It's small enough that we can put it in this machine,
and also
in the same
material.
time, and in the same time, it's affordable. to make a machine that is not that expensive.
Yeah, I just saw somebody say you can make game design much easier. Yes, exactly, because as you can see here, we have print these things on puzzle, right?
Yes.
This is a wood puzzle right here, so you can design your own puzzle. You can paint paint whatever the graphic that you want and make it into a puzzle, and use our laser cut function together for you to make a home decor.
Okay, so let's move to another project.
Yes. So first let me talk about the drawing pen, right? Because we have a limited time here, so we can't really show you how the drawing pen works, but we will talk about the drawing pen right here, because it can not only support our xTool creative space, xTool drawing pen, right? But we can support some other pen as well, as long as it fits the pen holder. We're going to show you how to do that.
Yeah, so it's compatible with a lot of pens. If you have Cricut pens, it's compatible with Cricut pens. And pen holder, where is the pen holder here?
Pen holder is like right here.
And for example,
this is the pen holder.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So as long
as, for example,
this
is a pen that for you can draw on. So this is the pen that you can draw on the 陶瓷.
Ceramic.
Ceramic. Okay. Yeah. And you can put it on the pen holder.
Like that. Yeah. And then you can put it into our machine, right? So if we take this thing out, right? And then if we take these things out as well, this is the blade head. Then we're going to put this aside.
你调一下那个太大了，膨胀。
Okay, like that?
Yeah,
right.
Like this.
Okay, all right, okay. Now, if you can put this into, you can fit into our machine, you can also use some other pens as well.
Let me do it.
Okay. Do we? I thought of the same song because you said this is a pen.
Yeah. So you can mount a lot of other pens, and yeah, it's you can adjust the height of the pen from the pen point to the
surface of the material.
Surface. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so, but we don't have time to show the pen project.
But definitely we can show you some.
We have other amazing projects to show, but we can show some projects already done by the pen and the drawing.
Make a filling, then make a filling. Oh yeah, this one. So this one right here.
Yeah. Yeah.
That is inkjet printing.
Yeah,
this
inkjet
is,
and the pen. You know, this is drawn by the pen. So the characters is drawing by the pen.
Okay.
Yeah. So our pen can feel. So it's not only drawing. You know, it's not only drawing the line, but it can feel the graphics.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, feel the graphics.
So as we have talked
colorful
about,
and very smooth. But we can see the details. It's like printing.
It doesn't really have strikes, right?
Yeah,
it doesn't really
like
have
printing.
the paint strikes, right?
Yeah.
The brush stroke. You guys have talked about other brands' pen can also fit into our machine.
Yeah, no problem.
The C brand can also fit into our machine as well. As we talked about, as long as it fits into the pen holder, we can use our machine to draw on the pen. So that is about our drawing pen function. We don't have enough time to show you our project. We're going to show you the next one with the multitasking function of our xTool M1 Ultra, which is combine different functions together. All right. So now let's go ahead, move to that project.
Okay. So this time we will use
fridge magnetic.
Yeah.
We're gonna make a fridge magnetic for you.
Okay.
Would you? Because like this time we're gonna use laser, so we need our laser goggles.
No, because we have leads. Okay.
But still, it's like for safety reason. Okay.
So we will mount the plate back.
The blades unfortunately are not compatible with our other brands' blade are not compatible with our xTool M1 Ultra, but their pen, if it can fit into the pen holder, it can fit into our xTool M1 Ultra. Okay.
Yeah, blade is not compatible, but our blade is not expensive. You can choose from
4 different type of blades.
Yeah. And but in the future we may have a new blade.
Yeah,
in
so
the future.
definitely stay tuned for more, future possibilities of our different functions.
So this is a 冰箱贴.
Fridge magnet.
Okay, fridge magnet.
We're gonna make a fridge magnet. So right now we have 2 different
parts. So we
parts.
print on the wood and
Yes.
cut it, and we have a magnet. So it's kind of a magnet.
Material.
Yeah. You can.
You can stick to the fridge.
Okay. So
we're gonna do 3 type of steps for you to finish this fridge magnet. So first we're gonna print on the wood, right? We're gonna inkjet print.
So first
on the
time
wood.
is print or laser cut? Print.
Print. You have to print first, and then you're gonna do the laser cut.
Okay. So print and blade. Okay. I need to.
You need to change the blade as well. Well, first you can stick the material to the pad, and then I'm gonna find this. I think it's a bigger.
I need to stick.
You sure? We're gonna put another blade head onto it, so don't worry.
Yeah, and so this the fine point blade to cut the magnet material. Okay.
Okay. Make sure that you. This is not enough. I don't think this is enough.
I think it's not.
You make sure that all the edges are like. Make sure it doesn't really move, right?
Okay.
So I'm just gonna put one more tape just in case it moves. because later you're gonna do the laser cut, right? If you move the object, like the laser cut, it's not gonna be that precise. It's not because the malfunction of the machine. It's because the process that we do. We want to make sure it's good.
So we use now you see we have 2 materials we need to handle.
So the carriage itself is not really magnetic, but the lid on it, where is the lid? The lid on it, right? The lid on this is magnetic, right? You can select down very easily, right?
Yeah.
So right now we're going to use our phone to take a picture. So guys, I know you guys are like comparing our machine to a lot of like other brands' machine, but don't worry, we got that video coming for you very soon. We're gonna do a personal comparison of different type of machine.
Okay.
Now let's switch back to our software.
Yeah. You can see the software.
Yes,
here.
the inkjet prints on acrylic as well, but the surface of acrylic, I would suggest you to put a clear paint on the acrylic for that surface to absorb the ink easily.
Yeah. So we have a website called Design Find. Actually, it's before it's projects.xtool.com, but we changed it to designfind.com. So it's a community for you to share your projects, and you find the right projects you want. It's a lot of amazing projects there.
Yeah.
And so you can go to Design Find through from XCS.
Wait, is the inkjet carriage is locked, right? Is some people say it's not locked.
It's not locked. Yeah, sorry.
So I was like, okay.
Well,
I guess that's why the first time you kind of like.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much. Who said that? Sorry about it. Who said that? The inkjet is not locked. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. 粗心大意的怎么说
Careless.
Yeah. So you can find the projects on the designfind.com, and we choose this one, and we will make this. So it's very easy. You can see the process. You just need to click open in the XCS.
Yeah, you can still buy it. You can still enjoy the best live stream price, even if you haven't paid a deposit. Some people say Jason wants to drive Twiggy crazy. Oh yeah, but you missed a G on the Twiggy. It's TWIGGY. Okay.
Okay, so you can see you just by click opening the XCS, and now you can see the software in XCS.
So before we have already taken the picture, you have to send it to our computer, right?
Yeah.
So it's sending.
Sending the background. Okay, so we have the background here, and okay, so we put it here, and we put this one.
So for
here.
those people,
all the parameters are setting by they come with the project.
Yes.
So if the settings on XCS is all done, and you can directly use it without need to set any parameters. So I will use all the parameter settings from the project.
Okay, make sure everything is okay. It's locked. It's taped to the. Okay, good.
Okay.
Yeah, sure. Let's go.
Let's go. So it's 2024 Paris Olympic Games.
Yes.
Okay.
You guys excited for this Olympic Games? I heard a lot of funny news about this.
Yeah, you can see the software. So now we have task here, task manager here, task 1, task 2, and we will use different modules. And during the process, we will change one module because we need to change the ink printing module to a laser module.
To a laser.
You can see the process. You can see how this works.
Yeah, but you don't really have to set it again on the software.
Yeah.
Because it's already preset. So you can go ahead and hit start, right?
Yeah, start.
Okay, it's right now measuring the distance. After measuring the distance, after you hit the beeping sound, you can go ahead and click start on our M1 Ultra, and you're gonna finish the first. Okay, now let's go ahead and click there.
Okay, well,
we're gonna finish the first 2 steps. Yeah, it's always nerve-wracking because we don't know what can go wrong, especially if we miss some steps, right? Okay, so as you can see, first it's because you're gonna do the inkjet function, right? The inkjet printer will actually automatically measure the distance between the materials and the head. As you can see, it's right now printing the pictures on it, and later we're gonna use the fine point blade to cut the magnetic, right? And later, after this 2-step has done, the machine will stop automatically to remind you to change the laser head, and then you can just click start on the machine one more time, and you will have your project ready to go.
Yeah, so if you need some project ideas, you can go to designfind.com.
Yes.
All the projects like this one is a butterfly that they can fly.
It actually already stopped, right?
I think it's run out of the battery.
Run out of the battery, but I think this is a very beautiful project.
Yeah, you can find the project on designfind.com.
Yes, so this is the paper art combined with this is felt, right? And together with different type material, and this is also very beautiful.
Another very beautiful design. It's all finished by this machine.
M1 Ultra, because as you can see,
you can see wood cutting.
Wood cutting is by the laser,
cutting,
right?
Yeah.
And the paper cutting could be by laser, or also could be by the blade cut, right?
Yeah, by laser you will be so if you use laser to cut papers, you will get a very precise, very detailed cutting.
Right. So right now, at the same time, we're gonna show you some.
This one.
Okay.
Yeah. So for example, you can use laser. You can use laser to cut very detailed, very small graphics here. But if you're using a blade, it's most of the time it will be failed.
Okay. So we have some other.
And this is also cut. I think it can only cut by laser.
Yeah, because it's very precise.
Yeah, very precise, very small.
Very detailed.
Very detailed. You can see. So this is a project that use a lot of multitask functions.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, with laser to cut the paper, and we have pen to draw here, and we have pen to write the words.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think it's at least combine 3 different type of functions, right?
Yeah.
So we have paint drawing, we have the laser cut, we also have the blade cut as well.
Yeah.
Right, for the
you can
blade cut.
make it very beautiful.
Yeah, and we also you can see we're using our multifunctional printing or multifunctional function. You can also do something like this, right? This is cut by wood, right? This is the different type of layer is cut by the laser, and then it's printing on different type of layers right here, right? Okay, now I think the first 2 steps is done. Now let's go ahead and change the module
I will change
to the laser.
Okay.
Okay, make sure you lock this time. Okay, make sure to unlock first.
Okay. So I will change the laser module. Where is the laser module? Laser module is here. Okay. Take it out. And one small tips. If you are not using the ink printing, remember to put this cover back. To protect the printing hand.
Or otherwise, actually, sometimes because when the ink gets dry, you make the inkjet stuck, right? So you want to make sure to switch to a 10 watts laser head.
It's 20.
Yeah, make sure to switch to a 10 watts laser head.
When is the 10 watt? So this is a 20 watt. Oh, here, okay. 10 watt. It's a lot of head here.
Okay, make sure you lock.
Lock.
Okay, great.
So you can move. Don't worry. This machine will find the position.
Yeah, because it has already been placed on our.
Because the machine will remember every position. So we have an encoder on the motor.
Yeah. Okay. Now let's just close it. And basically, I think I can hit next on my software right here.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna hit start on my software, and then go ahead, and then it will automatically also measure the distance, and then we can go ahead and waiting for that, and then we're gonna click start over there. All right, now it's doing the laser cut. Okay, and it's paired with our smart air assist right here. As you can see, when the machine starts, the smart air assist already start, right? You can hear the sound of this smart air assist.
Yeah, so you can hear some voice now. So if you are not using the lasers, the exhaust fan, the air assist will not work. If you are using lasers, it will auto start the exhaust fan and the air assist.
Okay, I mean, we should wear the goggles. Just I know
but it's a class 1 machine.
I know, but our users always ask to make sure to always wear your goggles. Even I know the lid is.
But for this machine, it's totally safe. It's class 1 certification.
Okay.
Yeah. It's for you to use in your home, to use with your keys. It's safe.
Yeah, it's absolutely enclosed. And also compared with we didn't have the spring right here, but you also use a smoke purifier over there, right?
Yeah. So we have a tube, So this tube is a white tube, is a customized tube. It's very. So always the tube is not beautiful, but we try to make it beautiful. Yeah.
All right. Now I think it's
so
done.
you can use also the air.
The smoke purifier, the air purifier.
So you can connect to a smoke purifier or just get out of the window.
All right. Now let's go ahead and check the things right here. Oh, looks really good. Okay.
Okay.
Hopefully you're gonna stand on the side. Okay. Hopefully it works. Oh yeah. Perfect. Ooh, look at this. Looks like a very beautiful effect of the sort of like this pencil, like the color pencil drawing, right?
Okay, let's see if this one.
Yeah, this one I think works
cut
too.
Through.
Yep.
You need a.
Does it?
It's not a cut through.
I think so. Oh yeah, it does. Okay. I think it does cut through.
It's not that cut through, but you need.
We just need to have more power. I think that's fine. Yeah, it's cut through, but it's just like you need to put some pressure.
Yeah. Okay, so this is just make it a fridge. I'll try to find the direction.
这里 like
yeah,
this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So it's magnetic. You can place it on here. Yep.
Okay, it works.
Yeah, it looks very beautiful. It looks like a color pencil drawing. A color pencil drawing. Looks really beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So now let's go ahead and go back to
So you can see we have some acrylic project here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So M1 can cut through acrylic some colors, not all the colors.
Yeah,
Please
definitely.
remember.
So
not transparent colors. If you want to cut transparent, if you want very strong ability to handle acrylic, all kinds of acrylic, you should choose
P2.
xTool P2.
P2.
But for M1, we can cut some kind of color.
I mean, those kind
acrylic.
of acrylic
So
is already
white,
very beautiful, right?
White and green.
We have yellow,
black. So for all these colors, you can use it to cut with the M1.
Yeah, as long as it's like opaque color, right? It's not transparent, and we can use our xTool M1 to cut through. Because like I know you guys are very concerned. I actually curious about like what kind of material we can cut through. We can cut through this type of acrylics right here, right? And I do want to talk about
but the ability of handling acrylic materials is the best machine is P2. It can cut through. I think it's a 12 millimeter.
18 millimeters.
18 millimeters.
Transparent.
18 millimeters. Are you sure?
18, not 80. Okay, 18 millimeters transparent
I mean 12.
acrylic.
Oh, okay, 18.
Because I've seen the commercial.
Okay.
Because like for the woods it's 20 millimeters, right?
Yeah. So for the wood,
for
the transparent acrylic is 18 millimeters.
Yes, 18 millimeters.
Yeah.
And also at the same time, I want to show you all kinds of like accessory that we have right here, right? So as we talked about, you can also use smoke purifier to pair with our xTool M1 Ultra. And we also have our all-time favorite, which is our screen printer. Screen printer, this one you do need to use a laser. So in our xTool M1 Ultra, we have a laser for you to laser off the surface of the screen printer. And then after that, you can do screen printing with our xTool screen printer. We have a smoke purifier. We also have the RA2 Pro, but in this live stream, we don't have enough time to show you the RA2 Pro, which you can do some cylindrical project. As you can see, it's on Jason's hands. We can do a tumbler. We can also do cups.
Yeah. So you can work with our RA2 Pro to engrave on the tumblers.
Yeah. So this is engraving, right? And this is use the M1 to do the blade cut on the vinyl, and then you stick the vinyl to your tumbler. And also this is also using the blade cut function to cut some vinyl, and then you stick to the cups right here, right? So for all kinds of like tumblers that you can use our pair with our RA2 Pro. Later, we're gonna also do lucky draw of our RA2 Pro, so stay tuned for that. So if you get the RA2 Pro, you can do a lot of cylindrical projects.
Okay.
And also, as you can see right here, we also have this kitchen tool, which is a roller right here. It's also done by the RA2 Pro using our RA2 Pro accessories, right? So that's the accessory that you can use with our xTool M1 Ultra.
Yeah, so the working area is for M1. It's not that big, but I think that's enough. It's 300 millimeter times 300 millimeter.
Yes.
Yeah. So I think it's enough for most of your hobby projects.
Yeah, hobby project, exactly. And not only so maybe we didn't give you a very large a very big working area, but we do give you the chance for you to you can increase on the height, right? You can process on like higher materials, on larger material, right? So that is the benefits of our xTool M1 Ultra. Now we're gonna switch to our new product right here. We haven't talked about yet. People are been asking for. It's our xTool heat press. Okay.
Yeah, the heat press. There are a lot of heat press on the market. So what's the difference between xTool heat press and the other heat press? Yeah, so if we want to do heat press, so I will set the goal to our product manager. So I told them you need to make some innovation. Yeah, or if your product is similar with others, we will not put resources in this kind of project.
Okay.
Yeah. So here is some innovation that our team do. Okay. So first is so this is the first heat press. Okay, I will take all the things out.
Yeah. So we're going to talk about the heat press function, and later we have a surprise video for you guys as well.
Yeah. Okay. So this is the first machine that you can put it on the platform, or you can take it out. It's very easy. So you can take it to move to anywhere,
To somewhere.
to heat press on any object you want.
Yeah,
And if you want to free your hand, you can attach it.
back.
Yeah, put it back. And it's the process is actually is very smooth. Okay.
I think it's already in.
Okay, I'm not adjust it. Yeah. That's it.
Okay, there we go.
Okay.
Oh, so it's already attached back. So for the
Yeah.
material that it can't really fit into this platform right here, the working station right here, and then you can detach this platform to heat press somewhere else. But for this material, you can be, fit into this working station. You can do that.
Yeah, the size is 12 inch times 10 inch. Yeah, you can. So it's suitable for you to take it anywhere and put it on the platform. Another thing is the control panel, the smart control panel. It's connected with the machine by wireless. Yeah. So it's auto connect. How to say?
Auto connected with our heat press and also with some other heat
with
press.
this control panel, you can precisely control the temperature and the time, and you can set different, and you can
Yes.
You can set, you can have some preset parameters. You can have 4 preset.
We have 4 different modes, right?
Different modes. You can set by yourself, and another thing, we have the
probably
receiver.
You can't really see it very clear, but it's kind of like a receiver. It's like a USB, right? So you can,
you can
take it
here.
out from the heat press, and then you can insert it on some other heat press. For example, our mini heat press.
So this
right
is the wireless receiver transceiver for the communication, communication between the control panel and the machine. You can take it out, you can plug it in and take it out. Why you need
it will wireless connect with our smart control.
Why you need to take it out is so we designed for suitable for other machines. Like if you want to use the mini, if you want to have very precise control, temperature and time control on the mini, you can put it in, and so this way you can use this one to control the heat press mini.
Yes.
In the future, we will have other machines, and you can also control this way, and you can use all your presettings to set the heat press mini. Yeah. So it's so together. This is a kind of a heat press family,
right? I would say it's actually a smart heat press family, right?
Yes.
Because you use this innovative like smart control, and together with the transceiver, if we come up with some other heat press products to fit your needs, right, it will also be synchronized together with this system. So right now we're preparing our material for the heat press. I do want to show you a video. Because like this time we have a very exciting launch of our xTool M1 Ultra. We flew 2 of our global users to China. I don't know if you guys have already seen that video. Kai was with them to visiting the factory, so we were with them, to have some dinner together, and it was so much fun. And they also got to personally experience our M1 Ultra, and together with our heat press, right? So let me show you the video and see of their experience at xTool.
Yeah. I heard some one friend use it. No, we can start.
My name is Jo Stapleton. I've been involved with xTool for almost 4 years.
My name is Kiyuki. I'm 50 years old. I've joined the xTool family in 2022 with my first laser, the M1.
I've been with xTool for almost 4 years. I started as a Facebook groups.
I have quite a few machines from xTool. I have the M1. Almost a year later, I got the S1 as a tester, followed by the F1, and just a few weeks ago, I bought the P2. I like white laser machines because I have a white studio, so it really fits into my studio.
I like the shape. It kind of looks like the S1, but it's smaller. But I like that it's flatter. and not bulky. Also that you can use different modules in the machine. So there's a lot of options that you can do with one machine, and I really like that idea.
I heard that it is able to print, but thinking of a laser machine that can print was actually quite weird in the beginning, so I didn't know what to expect. And when I had it for the first time and when I tried out the printing module, I was very satisfied, especially because printing on material that you would probably not print with a normal printer, like print on wood or print on resin, that was really overwhelming and quite a nice experience. With the M1 Ultra, having one machine that combines them all is very friendly for the users, that rather than having to buy one machine for this and one machine for that.
You don't need a lot of space and you can still do everything that you want to create.
So having a machine that combines all these different kinds of modules is actually a really good thing.
If you create something that has multiple layers, for instance, then one machine would be easier to use. So you don't have to switch from one machine to the other machine. I'm happy with the final result because it came out really good. The embossing itself, the foil, was sticking really well to the paper. It looked really nice.
It's absolutely easy to use. It's very easy to switch out the modules. It's just lift it up and put it back. I've never seen anything so easy to learn, actually.
The manual is also easy to follow, and there are a lot of YouTube videos from xTool out there that people can follow. So there's plenty of instructions to follow to get the machine working as a beginner. Most of the machines are pretty user-friendly.
The software is very beginner-friendly. You don't need to have any experience with design software, like Lightgun, for example. It is full of a lot of functions, but it's very hard to get into all of that. And xTool Creative Space is very easy to learn, and I have seen it grow over the time. Like whenever a user had an idea, hey, I would like to see this function in the software, then a developer has already mentioned, yeah, it's going to come, it's in the development.
You know, a lot more people are buying it, and xTool itself, the brand, is starting to grow and grow and grow more.
Actually, when I started to use the M1, I ran into a few issues, but I got help from the xTool company, from the support ladies very quickly, and now I don't really have any issues with the machines.
I personally think that the machines are very well made, and I don't think there should be a lot of problems that people would run into, because the software is pretty easy to use.
Don't be afraid, just try. The community is great, the support from xTool is great, so if you run into any issues or if you have any questions, just ask. There's always someone willing to help. Also, xTool gives you a support page, so you don't really need someone to guide you. You can find every question answered on the xTool website.
I feel like xTool is that's one big family to me. I've been involved with xTool like for almost 4 years as a moderator. I was honored enough to visit the factory and building some parts of it myself, getting to know the product more and the different machines and what it all can do and how well it is built and how well it is packaged. I can honestly say the material that is being used for the machine is very well made.
I love the xTool brand. xTool is creating amazing machines to give the users the tools to be creative, to make the world a more beautiful place. Crafting made me feel happier. I definitely see some surprise coming in the future. I don't know what it's going to be, but I do believe that you're not done yet with the xTool M1 Ultra, and I'm very excited to see what it's going to be.
Okay, thank you guys so much. Thanks to
thank you so much to our
users, right?
Users, for our guests. They come far away from China.
Yeah. So it's Kiyoki and Joe, right? So we met them personally. Thank you so much for visiting our factory because you have experiencing our xTool M1 firsthand, right? xTool M1 Ultra firsthand, and also our heat press. And we also have an amazing time at the factory and also have dinner together.
This is our first time. So for xTool, the first time to invite our customers to come to China to see our company, to see our office.
Yeah.
And but don't worry. So in the future,
we'll have more chance for you guys to come.
We will
okay,
have
don't
more
worry.
chance to invite more users to come, and in the same time, we will open our US office soon.
Definitely
so
stay tuned
we
for
will
that.
have a US office to provide very strong local support for our customers.
Okay, so our heat press is actually ready, but Jason wants to do the lucky draw right now.
Yes, because I see a
lot of people are already rating.
from France.
Yes.
It's 4 a.m. then.
Okay,
at that time, so we will change the order. We will make the lucky draw or the lucky draw first, and I will prepare for the heat press project. You make the lucky draw.
Okay.
I will prepare it.
Oh, okay, sure. Okay. Our first round of lucky draw will actually be the RA2 Pro, okay? And the keyword is RA2, okay? So we see a lot of our European audience waiting for our live stream, right? It's already maybe 4 a.m. in the morning in Europe. So I'll give you guys the lucky draw. So hopefully maybe it can get to you. So it's RA2, okay? RA2. The keyword is RA2. So first we want to make sure. Now we're gonna keep this running a little bit, so we want to preheat them.
Okay, so we will make a how to say this? It's
a sublimation.
Sublimation, yeah. I forgot the word.
So you want to make sure that you first preheat the surface a little bit, but don't touch the black area because it does.
Okay, you make it.
Okay, yeah. So they're still running. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, RA2, okay.
RA2.
Okay, now we're gonna put the heat press on the baking sheets. All right, okay. Now 3, 2, 1. Let's draw the first one. Let's draw the first lucky draw. RA2. Do we have a winner? Okay. All right. All right. Okay. Congratulations. There's a delay here. I can't really see your name right now. Okay.
Yeah, let's make another lucky draw.
Roxina, and then the next lucky draw will actually be the heat press, okay? And the keyword is press. Press.
Do we have
the keyword?
The machine lucky draw?
Yes, of course, in the end.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna do one more lucky draw. The keyword is press, okay? And right now, you're gonna see Jason.
Yeah, we are using the press. I set the temperature here.
Yes.
And I just need to put it here. Yeah. Okay.
Make sure you cover the whole thing, okay? And then you're gonna hit the timer right here.
Yeah, I forgot.
Yeah, press the timer and then give some pressure on the machine, okay?
Okay.
Now you guys can keep running the press. At the same time, we're gonna finish the sublimation project. As we talked about, because the heat press has different type of modes, right? This is where you can take the platform out from the heat press and heat press some other larger material that can really fits into the working station. All right, now 3, 2, 1, let's draw.
Okay, we finished.
Okay, so. All right, congratulations. All right, now let's take this out.
In the same time, we finish.
Give some time here.
Yeah, we finished the heat press
process.
Okay,
Cassie, congratulations on winning the heat press, okay? Now we're going to show you the results, and later we're going to do the final rounds of our biggest lucky draw. So let's see the results first.
See the results, see the magic.
Does it work?
Does it work?
Yeah, hopefully.
I don't know.
Whoa!
Wow!
Well, it's actually pretty impressive.
Yeah.
This is the blanket, right?
Yeah. The color is very bright.
Yes, as I talked about, our heat press is different from other brands, right? Yeah, we can see it right here. Very beautiful. So should we take it? Oh, we can't really take it out because we have things in here.
Our camera can take this. Don't worry.
Yeah. Good. Okay. Does it look good? Yeah, okay. This is not a fake photo, okay? This is the actual material, okay? This is not a fake photo. When I first saw it, I thought it was a fake photo.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks really,
it's just like a print on the photo.
Yeah, so as you can see, the blanket, you can do a family memory blanket, right? You can put different type of photos on here.
Okay.
Right?
So we
have one more lucky draw. Okay, so the last lucky draw, you can get the M1 Ultra machine, okay? All right, so our keyword is ultra. without capital or small letter, both are fine. Ultra, okay, guys, let's run the comment sections. Okay. At the same time, Jason wants to fix the mistake that he did in the first round. We want to do the blade cutting one more time in the first round. Okay, we're gonna repeat that one more time.
Yeah.
But you don't need riser base, right?
Yes, and but the riser base can remain here. And so that's one feature that we don't mention is the adjustment of the pressure.
Yeah, you can adjust the pressure to high or to low, and then adjust the height of our heat press.
Yes.
All right. Okay. And so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Draw. Who is the lucky winner of our Ultra M1 Ultra bundle? Okay. Woo! Congratulations on winning the. I just saw our product manager names. Okay. 56. Okay. Congratulations.
That's a Chinese name. The name is our
the product manager of our M1 Ultra.
Yeah.
Well, you wouldn't want to ring one yourself. You can make it yourself. Do we have the project yet? Okay, so we're gonna, continue to do the first project at the same time. Maybe I want to talk about the user that has already won our M1 Ultra. You can prepare this, and then I'm gonna talk about the user has already won our competition we run on Facebook, because when we ask you guys to pay the deposit for our pay the deposit in our page, right, the website, we ask you to fill in this questionnaire. Okay, after you fill in questionnaire, the system has randomly choose because you have already shared on your social media, and the system has already chose, I think, 5 lucky winners to win the M1 and the H1 Ultra bundle, and the winner is Streamlinatures, okay, Marin Creative Blog, Los Daídos de Dedos, I think it's a Spanish thing. I think it's Ellie Craft Creation, and we have Daniel Von Melantini. Okay, so we're gonna type the name in the comment section so you guys can know. I'm so sorry if I pronounced your name wrong.
It's a challenge.
Yeah, I recognize those Spanish, but those French word I can't really. So let's put the word. Yes, so it's Miniature Maroon Creative Blog. Congratulations. Okay, now let's switch back to our software. And you want to take a picture and then send it. What if it doesn't work this time? Again.
Wait,
did you send the picture? Did you send the picture to the computer?
Okay, I will send you the picture. Yeah, it's sending.
Oh, okay. All right.
So this time, our colleague helped me to stick the foil. It's much smooth than I do before. So I think this time it can work.
Wait. Yeah, you haven't changed the head. I think it's the full.
Oh yeah.
You have to change the head.
I forgot to change the head. So I will change.
First, the foil transfer tip right here. I think.
Yeah. Where's the head? Where's all the heads?
Give me 1 sec.
So on all these cameras, we lost all the heads. Huh? Where's all the heads?
Over there.
Okay. The head is coming back.
All right.
Okay. So I will use this transfoil foil.
Robert is asking about how much the head replacement is going to be. So you can buy our bundle. We have all the head included. You can buy our all-in-one bundle.
Yeah, and okay. So I failed one time before.
Don't fail this time.
And this time I hope it will success. All the settings.
Okay.
I think it's okay. So we go to the process. With all the settings are okay. Okay.
The blaze play is okay.
Okay, let's start. I hope this time it will work. It should work.
The pressure is okay, right?
Yeah.
I don't want to fail miserably again. This is the actual life, guys.
Yeah. So
wait,
I think.
Did you put the cutter in another head?
What?
Did you put a cutter in another one? Is the blade cut, right?
Yeah, it's a blade.
Right?
Yeah.
It's the fine blade, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Okay, don't worry. Okay, this time it works. It will take 3 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I see a lot of people are still watching our live. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much. So this is the last project that we have, and thank you for watching our live stream. We just need to wait the 3 seconds, 2 seconds to see if we can be successful.
You mean 3 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
3 minutes. Okay.
On this
yes.
project.
On this project.
Actually, it's a very simple project. We're successful a lot of times. I don't see these projects fails. This is the first time I see it fails under my own hand.
I mean, it's just a tradition that we, no matter how many times we have practice or we have like, kind of sort of like a rehearsal this project before.
It's kind of a Murphy law, something like that.
Yeah. It's just like we have more failures on the live stream. It happens every time. So I think our customer has already get used to this. If you are old customers, right? If you have our previous customer, you know this will happen. But if you are new users, I would say, yeah.
But don't worry for our product quality. We test a lot of
because you can
times
see in the factory, right?
during the developing process. Yeah, we make the quality very good.
Yeah.
So we before we shipping the product, we make a lot of improvement.
Yeah.
During the process.
And also test, right?
Yeah. So the first mistake, I think it's the first thing is that I don't stick the foil
very
smooth.
Evenly, right?
Yeah,
very evenly.
Not that smooth.
Mm-hmm.
And maybe some parameter I make it too big.
Yeah,
to damage the foil.
The pressure is too much.
Yeah, the pressure is too much.
Let me just check real quick. Sorry. Let me just check real quick. Okay, looks nice. Okay.
It's the foil is not damaged.
No.
This time it looks nice.
That is the blade hair, right? I just want to. Yeah, that is the blade head. Okay.
Yeah, cool. This time I think it works good. It works good.
And you had. Did you design this little heart next to Jay? Who designed this little heart next to Jay? Oh, and let me show you one more thing. This way. Later, after this project is done, we can also show you some storage area of our X2 M1 Ultra, right, on the side.
Not on the side. This place.
Oh, then don't touch it. Oh, I thought it was on the side. Oh, it was actually.
Yeah, I will show that.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, you can see actually we make compare with other cutting machine. We make some improvement on algorithm. Like for example, the fill. So we can use our pen to fill, and we can use our foil transfer tip to fill. Yeah.
Okay, so that's not the M1 Ultra. That's the heat press. I don't know. We should take it out.
Okay. Okay. So
Is it finished?
Let's see.
Okay. Okay, looks good, I think.
It's good.
Okay.
It's good. It's good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. You can just take it out. It is what it is, right? It is what it is.
Yeah. Because I touch it and I make the, so it's very easy for you to
okay, you can
to
have
detach.
some like, oh, so this is right here, right? This is for you to storage everything.
This is not that successful because I think I moved something. Yeah, but it's better than the first time.
Yeah, not like just totally destroy it, okay?
Yeah.
And this is the storage place for you to storage some tools that you might need for your craft, for your DIY craft project, right? And this is where it is, right? So this is inside here. And this is the lid, and you open it up, you will have those tool storage in here, okay?
Yeah. So you need to find the right pressure to do this project right. So the first time,
yeah,
I think our colleague
careful.
set it too big. And this time, I think it's a little small.
Yeah, don't touch
it. This time is a little small.
But we do have some successful
one. But if you
right?
set in the right parameter, you will get the effect like this. And so that's all the project.
We just have one more thing to show you. This is also the Fourier transfer project that we have done that you can do it on the laser right here. As you can see, this notebook has height, right? This is about our M1 Ultra. Not only you can process on very flat surface or like just a plain paper, you can also do something on the object that has height. All right. Okay.
Okay. So thank you.
I guess that's everything.
That's everything I have. It's a long live stream.
It is a long live stream. So an hour and a half. Because we made some mistakes during.
Thank you guys for always stay with us.
Okay.
Thank you for your always support. Yeah.
And also
hope you will like our machine. But there is some small mistakes during the live stream. But don't worry, you're in your machine. It will
be perfect.
Yeah, it will be perfect.
And you will find the right parameters on our website, on our design find, right? In our xTool creative space software.
You can see the whole company are moving very fast. And we continue to improve our software and our hardware very quickly. So you can see, for example, with XCS, XCS is totally different than before, and it has a lot of amazing functions.
Yes, definitely. We iterated very fast as a company of like only 3 years old of our xTool. Right?
And
so
we are always hear from our customers, and we got a lot of very good advice, feedback from our customers. And thank you very much. Thank you for your always support. And we will continue to
innovate.
Yeah, innovate. Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.
I'll see you guys on the next live stream. Ciao, ciao.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.